Go.
If you like to catch the potato, if someone can make it smile, we got it so for you. Vegetarian, vegetarian, broccoli, celery, fishy cheese. That's us.
Okay, so tell Aubrey hi.
Hi, Abby.
Tell you love her.
Papa.
Oh, you love Papa? What about Aubrey? Do you love Aubrey?
Yeah.
Who else do you love?
Jeffy.
Who?
Jeffy.
You love Tiffy?
Yeah.
What about Uncle Matt?
Yes.
You love Uncle Matt?
Yes.
Who else do you love?
Daddy.
You love Allie? Oh, you love Mallory? Hey, tell him, who's your favorite?
Mommy's favorite.
Mommy's your favorite?
Yeah.
And tell him, wait, here, gotta back up. And tell him, who's beautiful? Tell him who's beautiful. Who's beautiful? Okay, we gotta go. Tell him bye.
No.
I gotta turn it off. You ready to tell him bye?
Bye.
Tell him who's beautiful.
Me.
Okay, bye.
Bye.